What we're seeing in other parts of South Wales are rising levels of COVID infections. It's really important that we work hard together in Swansea and Neath Talbot to try and keep ourselves safe. So some new measures have come in over the weekend. That's the rule that no more than 6 people can meet together indoors. And that's 6 people from your household bubbles. That's a bubble of up to 4 households coming together. And that includes if you go out to the pub or a restaurant, no more than 6 people drawn from your bubble can come together in those settings. The other important change is the use of face coverings. So it's now compulsory in indoor public spaces. And that will include if you're in a workplace where you can't maintain social distancing. So if that applies to you, you need to speak to your employer. But the basic messages are still the same. So it's about maintaining social distancing, washing your hands regularly and use of alcohol hand rubs. Avoid touching your face if at all possible. You should be working from home if you can, so don't go into a workplace unless you have to go into a workplace. And finally, be aware of symptoms, and if you do have one of those symptoms, then get a test. So let's work together to keep Swansea and Neath Talbot safe.